Interior CS Fred Matiang'i has said that the reforms being conducted in government will enable the police service do their jobs well and maintain law and order in light of changing times. The CS spoke at the unveiling of the strategic plans for the police service and police service commissions. The two documents expected to be implemented over the next 4 years will oversee implementation of policy changes in the service that began under the new constitution. Leila Mohammed is at the Kenya School of Government and now brings us more details from that meeting.
Well, Gladys, the reforms are not something new that has started happening as we speak. These are things that have been happening since 2013 when the Jubilee government actually took office. And we've seen various changes not only in the style of dress, which they say at least by 2021, 75,000 general duty officers will be in the deep blue colors that are now the new National Police Service uniforms. As at now, 20,000 officers have been given the new dress. We've seen about 39,000 officers from what was the National Police Service join the Kenya Police Service under general duty. We've seen others go into the AP service, and they will be going across the border areas in the country as well as to do things about cattle rustling. Other than policy changes, they've also said that this will also be in improving how the Kenyan public views the police service. Remember, since 2013 when they started taking a huge number of recruits into their various training schools, the CS says the number of police officers who are taking care of civilians has increased gradually, maybe not to the levels that are required internationally, but he says this is a step in the right direction. There's also need for policy change within the officers themselves, other than the fact that they are now getting a new stipend for them to live outside the quarters. The new policies now will be that everything will be digitized at the police station service. So according to the ministry, there will be new computers coming very soon. The CS also says the issue of the Huduma number as well as digitizing various key documents like the driver's license as well as the people who are gun holders, they were getting new documentation. He says this will build a good profile for data for the DCI in terms of ensuring that once someone has been profiled into the system, it is easy as a repeat offender for the DCI or the relevant authorities to be able to catch them. But then again, he says that without the coordination of the National Police Service, which is the HR administrative unit of the Police Service of Kenya, then this might not be as fruitful as they believe. As well as other systems before, the CS has also said that as much as there are also challenges within the police service, he is inviting the human rights defenders groups to speak to them in terms of enhancing their quality of work in various sectors that they serve across the country. So this is just a brief of what has been happening here. More details later, Gladys.